Hello. Uh, Today we will discuss about the topic sphere. Uh, Sphere. The general form of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This is the general form of the sphere. This equation is representing sphere and whose center is minus ka u, minus v and minus w. U, v, w and d is the constant value in the equation and the radius of the sphere is under root में u square plus v square plus d square minus d. Then the general equation of the sphere is this and whose center is this and the radius is this. And the next formula, when the center ABC and radius r is given, the center and radius are given, then the equation of the sphere is x minus ka a square plus y minus ka b square plus z minus ka c square equal to r square, where ABC is the center and r is the radius. And the next topic, then given the end point coordinate of the diameter, end point coordinate of the diameter of the sphere is x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, then sphere and whose diameter, then the coordinate is x1 y1 z1 and the second end point coordinate is x2 y2 z2. So the equation of the sphere is x minus ka x1 into x minus ka x2 plus y minus ka y1 into y minus ka y2 plus z minus ka z1 into z minus ka z2. This is the some formulas related to sphere. So to solve the some problems regarding to sphere. The first problem is find the equation of the sphere whose center is 2 minus 3 4 and radius 12. Solution. Center is 2 minus 3 and 4, then a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 4 and radius r equal to 5. By using the formula x minus ka a square plus y minus ka b square plus z minus ka c square equal to r square. The putting the value of ABC in this formula, then x minus 2 ka square plus y minus minus plus 3 ka square plus z minus 4 ka square equal to 5 square. Then simplify x square plus 4 minus cut 4x plus y square plus 9 plus ka 6y z square plus 16 minus 8z equal to 25. Then the equation of sphere is x square minus ka plus y square plus z square minus का 4x plus का 6y minus 8z and 9 and 4 is 13 and 16 29 is 4. This is the answer of this problem. And the next problem is And next problem. What is the equation of sphere which passing through 0 0 0 and which has its center at 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 0. The solution. A physical diagram of this problem is this is the sphere and whose center is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 0, and the sphere is passing through the point 0 0 0. Then center is O and point is A. Then OA equal to radius. So first of all, we find the distance between OA. Distance between 2 points by using the formula is x1 minus x2 by square plus y1 minus y2 by square plus z1 minus z2 by square. Then the point is x1, y1 and z1, and this point is x2, y2 and z2, and putting the value 1 by 2 minus 0 square plus 1 by 2 minus 0 का square plus 0 minus 0 का square. Then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4 root 1 by 2. This is the radius and center is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then the value of A equal to 1 by 2, B equal to 1 by 2 and C equal to 0, and the radius is root 1 by 2. Then use the formula x minus a ka square plus y minus b ka square z minus c ka square equal to r square. Then a, b, c, putting x minus 1 by 2 ka square, y minus 1 by 2 ka square, z minus 0 ka square equal to, then this is the radius is root 1 by 2, then root 1 by 2 ka square. Then x square plus 1 by 4 minus x plus y square plus 1 by 4 minus y plus z square equal to 1 by 2. Then x square plus y square plus z square minus x minus y 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancel out 0. This is the equation of the sphere whose center is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 0 and passing through 0 0 0. And next problem is find the center and the radius. Find the center radius of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z equal to 11. The question is find the center and radius of the sphere x square y square z square minus का 2x plus 4y minus 6z equal to 11. The solution. A general form of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Then comparison between this equation is number 1 and equation number 2. Comparison between equation number 1 and 2, then we find the value of u, v, w and d. Then comparison 2ux is equal to minus का 2x, then 2u equal to minus 2, so u equal to minus 1, and 2vy equal to 4y, then 2v equal to 4, v equal to 2, and 2w equal to minus 6, 2w equal to minus 6, then w equal to minus 3, and 11 is equation right hand side, then moving left hand side, then the sign is changed, positive 11 is converted minus 11. Then comparison between d equal to minus 11. Find the value of u, v, w and d, and center radius of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is minus का u, minus v, minus w, and the radius is under root में u square plus v square plus w square minus का d. Then center minus u, minus v, minus w, and radius root u square plus v square plus w square minus का d. Then putting the value of u, v, w and d, this then 1 minus 2 and 3. This is the center of the sphere, this sphere, and the radius, then putting the value of minus 1 square, 2 square, minus 3 square, minus d equal to minus 11 is just like this. Then 1 plus 4, 9 plus 11, 25, radius 5. Then the process to find the center and radius. And next problem is the next problem is the plane ABC whose equation is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. Meet the axis OX, OY, OZ in A, B, C respectively. Find equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere OABC where O is origin. Clear? The plane ABC whose equation is x upon a, y upon b, z upon c equal to 1 meet the axis, x axis, y axis, z axis and meet in point ABC. To find the equation of the sphere OABC, where O is origin. And the physical diagram. A plane is ABC is the plane. The equation is solution. Equation of plane is x upon a plus y upon b, z upon c equal to 1. The coordinate of point A is a comma 0 0. The intercept of x axis is a, intercept of y axis is b, intercept of z axis is c. The point is b is 0, b 0, and the point is c is 0, 0 and c. The sphere passing through the point is 4 points. First point is O is origin. O point coordinate is 0 0 0. A point coordinate is a comma 0 0. B point coordinate is 0 b 0 and C point coordinate is 0 0 c. The equation of the sphere with passing through the 4 point by using the formula is general equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Then find u, v, w, d in using the 4 point. Putting the first point in equation, sphere equation, in equation number 1, putting the point is O point is 0 0 0, then we get x 0 0 0, 2u into 0 is 0 plus 2v into 0 is 0, 2w into 0 is 0, d equal to 0. So then we find d equal to 0. The first value find d equal to 0. Then putting the value of second point is a comma 0 0 in equation number 1. Then we get a square and y coordinate is 0 and z coordinate is 0. So then 0 plus 2ua and 0 0 and d is 0. Then find the value of u equal to a square, transfer is right hand side, then divided by 2a, then minus a upon 2. The second value we find u in minus a by 2 by using the second coordinate. Again, but put the point is b in equation number 1, then we get x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is b and z coordinate is 0. So 0 plus 0 0 0 2by sorry 2vw uv sorry 2bv 0 and d equal to 0 0. Then v equal to minus b upon 2. And putting the third point in equation number 1, then we get find the value of w. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0 and z coordinate is c. Then putting the equation 1 and find the value of w, then 0 0 c square 0 0 2 w c and d equal to 0 equal to 0, and W equal to minus का C by 2. Then U equal to minus A by 2, V equal to minus B by 2, W equal to minus C by 2, and D equal to 0. So find the value of U, V, W, D. So putting in equation 1, and this is the required equation of the sphere. Then put the value of U, V, W and D. So equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square. U equal to minus A by 2, then minus का ax minus by minus cz equal to 0. Putting the value of u equal to minus A by 2, then 2 to cancel, and putting the value of v equal to minus b by 2, then we get b by, and putting the value of w is minus c by 2, then get minus cz. This is the answer of the problem. Next problem. Next problem is find the equation of the sphere through the points 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 0, and 1, 2, and 1. Find the equation of the sphere through the 4 points shown. First point is 0, 0, second point is 0, 1, minus 1, third is minus 1, 2, 0, and the last is 1, 2, 1. The solution is, then the sphere passing through more than 1 point. Using the condition is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d equal to 0. Equation number 1. Using the any sphere passing through more than 1 point, using the general equation of the sphere, and these points are putting in equation, then we get find u, v, w and d. So this is the solution. Then put u, v, w, d, equation of sphere. First point, putting in the first point 0, 0, 0, then we get d equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z, and this term is 0, this term 0, this term d equal to 0. The first solution is d equal to 0. And again we put the value of 0, 1, minus 1, then we get 0, 1, 1, 0, 2v, minus 2w, and d equal to 0. So this 2 plus 2v minus 2w equal to 0. This is the equation number 3rd. And putting the third point, then we get 1, 4, 0, minus 2u, 4v, and z coordinate is 0, and w is 0, and d is 0. So 6 minus 2u plus 4v equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. And using the last point in putting in equation first, then we get 1, 4, 1, 2u, 4v, 2w, and d equal to 0, then 0. So 6 plus 2u plus 4v plus 2w equal to 0, and this is the equation number 5. And solve the equation number 3rd, 4th and 5th and find the value of u, v, w. In equation 3rd, we find the value of w, and the equation number 3rd is divided by each element is 2. Then equation w equal to 1 plus v. The value of w equal to 1 plus v is putting in equation number 4th and 5th, and we get equation number 4 not involving w, so equation number 4 is and divided by 2, then 3 minus u plus 2 equal to 0, and putting the value of w, then we get and divided by 2. First of all, we divided by 2, then the digit is 3u 2v plus w equal to 0, and putting the value of w equal to 1 plus v in this equation, then we get plus u plus 2v plus 1 plus v equal to 0. Then equation 3 plus 1 is 4 plus u plus 3v equal to 0. Then solve the equation number this and this equation. This equation solve and find the value of u and v. 3 minus u plus 2v equal to 0, and 4 plus u plus 3v equal to 0. Then adding the both equation, then 7, this cancel out, is 5v equal to 0, v equal to minus 7 upon 5. V equal to minus 7 upon 5. In putting this equation, then we get the value of w equal to 1 minus 7 upon 5 equal to minus 2 upon 5. Then w is minus 2 upon 5. Then putting the value of v in equation number this equation, then we get 3 minus u minus 2 into 7 upon 5 equal to 0. Then u equal to minus 3 plus 14 upon 5, u equal to 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. To find the value of u, v, w and d. D equal to 0 and u equal to minus 1 by 5, v equal to minus 7 by 5 and w equal to minus 2 by 5. Putting the value of u, v, w, d in equation number 1. So equation is square is x square plus y square plus z square minus का 2x upon 5 and b equal to minus 7, तो 40 upon 5 by minus w equal to minus 2, तो 4 upon 5, z d equal to 0. Then multiplication by 5 here, this is the equation of this square. This is the answer of this problem. Next problem is find the equation find the equation of this pair which passes through the point 1 minus 3 4 1 minus 5 2 1 minus 3 0 and whose center lie on the plane x plus y plus z equal to 0. The solution is the sphere passing through more than one point, then using the general equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. First point is 1 minus 3 and 4. Then putting is 1 plus 9 plus 16 plus 2u minus 6v plus 8w plus d equal to 0. Then the equation is 26 plus 2u minus 6v plus 8w plus d equal to 0 in equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then putting the second point, then 1 plus 25 plus 4 plus 2u minus 10v plus 4w plus d equal to 0, equation number 3. Then simplify 30 plus 2u minus 10v plus 4w plus d equal to 0, equation number 3. And putting the third point in equation number 1, then we get 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2u 6v minus 6v and w0 then d equal to 0. Then equation is 10 plus 2u minus plus 6v plus d equal to 0 in equation number 4. And a last point, at whose center? The center is equation number 1 is minus u minus v and minus w. The center of the sphere in equation 1 is minus u minus v and minus w, whose center lie on the plane x plus y plus z. Then this point lie on the equation this. Then the find new condition is minus u minus v minus w equal to 0. Putting the value of minus u in x, minus v in y and minus w in z, then we get a new equation number 5. Equation number 2, 3, 4 and 5 solve and find the value of u, v, w and d. So first equation number 4, find the value of d and put it in second and third. D equal to minus 10 minus 2u minus का plus 6v. D equal to minus 10 in equation 4. Find the value of d. So this and this comes to transfer the right hand side. Then we get d equal to minus 10 minus 2v plus 6v. And the value of d putting equation number second and third, and we get equation number, putting the equation number second, then 26 plus 2u minus 6v plus 8w and d equal to minus का 10 minus 2u plus 6v equal to 0. 26 and 10 is 16. 2u and 2u is cancel out. 6v and 6v is cancel out, and plus 8w equal to 0 and w equal to minus 2. The value of w minus 2, and putting the value of d in equation number third, and we get 30 plus 2u minus 10v plus 4w dt equal to minus 10 minus 2u plus 6v equal to 0, and we get 30 minus 10 is 20, and 2u is cancel out, and w equal to minus 2, then the value is minus 8. 10v and 6v is minus 4, v equal to 0. Then 12 minus 4v, v equal to 3. So value of 5, v equal to 3. Value of v and w putting equation number 5, and we get the solution. We get the value of u. The equation is minus का u v equal to 3, minus का 3, and minus w equal to minus plus 2 equal to 0, then minus u minus 1 equal to 0, u equal to minus 1. Then the value of u is minus 1, v equal to 3, and w equal to minus 2. Then putting this condition, then find the value of d. Then d equal to minus 10 and minus 2, u equal to minus 1, then plus 2, and v equal to 3 is 18, then 20 to d equal to 10, d equal to 10, then u equal to minus 1, v equal to 3, w equal to minus 2, and d equal to 10. These values we put in equation number 1, then find the equation of sphere. Then the equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus का 2x minus plus is 6y minus 4w and d is 10 to the 0. This is the answer of this problem. The next problem is a plane passes through a fixed point PQI cuts the axis ABC. So show that the locus of the center of square OABC is P upon X plus Q upon Y R upon Z equal to 2. This is the problem. A plane passing through a fixed point PQR and cut the axis ABC. Show that the locus of the center of the sphere OABC is P upon X plus Q upon Y plus R upon Z equal to 2. Then solution. Let the equations of the plane ABC is X upon A plus Y upon B Z upon C equal to 1. This plane passing through the fixed point PQR then satisfy P upon A, Q upon B, R upon C equal to 1. This is equation number 1. And this plane cut the axis ABC, then the point is A equal to A comma 0 0 and B equal to 0 0 0 B 0 and C point is 0 0 C and origin is O is 0 0 0. The equation of sphere passing through the point A, B, C and O is x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0. A solve in previous question. If passing through the sphere a point is a comma 0 0 0 b 0 0 0 c and 0 0, then the equation of the sphere is x square y square z square minus ax minus by minus cz equal to 0. Then the center is a by 2, b by 2 and c by 2. By using comparison between value of u equal to minus a by 2, value of b equal to is minus b by 2 and value of w equal to minus c by 2. This is the center. Then x equal to a by 2, y equal to b by 2 and z equal to c by 2. Not given in this problem that not given ABC. We let the coordinate of the equation of plane is x upon a, y upon b, z upon c. Then the first we eliminate the value of a, b, c, and not given in equation what is a, what is b, and what is c. Then we let the equation of sphere is x. Sorry, equation of plane is x upon a, y upon b, z upon c. So a, b, c we let. So ABC is eliminated by find the value of a equal to 2x, b equal to 2y and c equal to 2z. And putting in equation number first, p upon 2x plus q upon 2y r upon E upon x plus Q upon y R upon z equal to 2. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन। इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले क्या था कि हमें ओनली फॉर गिवन क्या था, पी क्यू आर था बस। तो हमने अपनी तरफ से लेट क्या किया, एबीसी लेट किया है। तो जो भी एलिमेंट हमने एबीसी लेट किया है तो उसको हमको एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जो चीज़ लेट की है वो नहीं होनी चाहिए हमेशा कभी भी। तो एबीसी लेट की थी हमने, तो जिसमें हमारा क्या आ गया, ये जो हमारा क्या आ गया, सेंटर आ गया। तो सेंटर का ही लोकस निकालना था, जैसे सेंटर इस लोकस के लिए हमने एक्स पॉइंट अपना a/2, y पॉइंट b/2, z पॉइंट c/2। तो यहाँ से हमने एबीसी फाइंड किया और इस इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट में पुट कर दिया। पुट करने पर हमें ये कंडीशन मिल गई जो हमें प्रूव करनी थी। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, next problem is find the equation of the sphere which passes through the point 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and has its radius as small as possible. Solution. First, the find the equation of the sphere which passing through 3 points. First point is this, second point is this, and third point is this. And the last condition, the radius as small as possible. The radius is minimum. The equation of the sphere, then whose radius is minimum. The sphere passing through more than one point, then we use the general equation of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2uv plus 2wz plus 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d equal to 0. And putting the first point, then we get 1 plus 2u plus d equal to 0. And putting the second point in equation number 1, then we get 1 plus 2v plus d equal to 0. And the last point, then 1 plus 2w plus d equal to 0. And by using this condition, the radius of the equation number 1 is r equal to under root में u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Now using this condition, then u equal to v equal to w equal to minus 1 plus d upon 2. So r equal to, then u equal to minus 1 plus d upon 2, v equal to minus, then the u equal to v equal to d w, then 3 u square minus d, u square and by converting this condition, find the value of u equal to minus 1 plus d upon 2, find the value of v is equal to minus 1 plus d upon 2 and w equal to minus 1 plus d upon 2, then the condition u equal to v equal to w, u equal to minus 1 by t, r equal to 1 plus d whole square upon 2 minus d. So r is minimum, so r square is also minimum. R square is also minimum. 1 plus d square upon 2 by using the maximum minimum to find the value of d. Then the given condition, the radius is small, by using maximum minimum conditions. So r is minimum, so r square is also minimum. So then let r square equal to r square is equal to a. So a equal to 1 plus d का whole square upon 2 minus d. So differential with respect to d, so dA over dd equal to 2 1 plus d upon 2 minus 1. Again d2a over dd square equal to 1. A second derivative is positive, so radius is minimum. Then the first derivative equal to 0 to find the value of d. Sorry, 1 plus d square and is 4. 4 so 1 by 2, then this is positive value, then the d is minimum. The first derivative is equate 0, then find the value of d. 1 by 2 1 plus d equal to 1. b equal to 2 minus 1, b equal to 1, and the given d equal to 1, so the value of u बराबर b equal to d equal to minus 1 plus d upon 2 when is minus 1. u v w, putting 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 is 1, so then the value of u v w and d 1 1 1, sorry, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and d is 1. So the equation of the sphere is, so the equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus का 2x minus 2y minus का 2z plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere whose radius is small and which passing through the point 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1.